Hey racers, Joel here with Performance Bodies. We got our new MD3 Plastic Modified Nose Kit here in stock. We've had it for a little bit now. Been getting some calls, questions on how to put the whole thing together. So we went to work, came up with a brace kit. It's going to be a nose brace kit to work specifically for the MD3 Plastic Nose. What we got is a 5-piece kit. I've actually already started cutting down some of these braces for the nose we're going to put together today. But it's going to come with 3 1x1 pieces and then 2 of your 2x1s. The 3 1x1s are going to mainly be for center supports for the upper lower nose. And then we got our 2 2x1 pieces, which we'll get into later. They're going to be kind of our nose sides. They're going to get us started. They got 3/16 holes on them, pre-drilled. So kind of give us a start. We'll kind of go over that later. What I'm going to do now is take these oversized pieces down to the shop. I got my old templates here we're going to use to trim out our oversized pieces. There's a lot of different ways you can do this. This is what we found to be easiest. You know, some of your traditional noses from the past, the aluminum, they're going to have your nose side and then you were going to put a wing on top. So now that we got a flat side, we need some way to put this stuff all together. So I'll go trim this out, we'll get all our bracing cut, and then we'll come back and we'll put her all together. All right, so got all the plastic pieces here cut, trimmed to fit off of my old templates on this nose here. So where I'm gonna start next, we got our braces cut too. So we got on this application, there's only gonna be 2 of the middle nose supports for the upper lower nose. We are going to throw that 3rd one in our kit though, just in case the guy does need one more at the bottom. So where I'm going to start on this nose is with the easiest part, I think, with the pre-drilled holes. Got the nose side here. I went ahead and marked. Every sanctioning body has a little bit different nose wing height, so went ahead and marked mine for the 2 1/4. Got it clamped up here. Again, we got the 3/16 pre-drilled holes in the side. So I'm going to go ahead and drill these holes out, fasten both sides of the nose on the nose side here, and then we'll go ahead and put our center together. Okay, so now we have the 2x1 angle attached to our nose sides here. I feel it's just going to help us put the rest of this thing together a lot easier, having these already on the side. So they're cut, trimmed out, everything's fastened up here. So next we're gonna get the lower nose. This is all probably gonna be easier from this point on, mounting it on the car. Of course I don't have that here today. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount the lower nose to the nose sides, start to incorporate some of that center bracing in to help support the nose. So I'll go ahead and get this lower nose fastened up, and then we'll finish with the upper nose and that mounting. So now we got the lower nose all mounted up here. You'll kind of see how that all went together and see where I incorporated the braces on this particular nose. There's a stiffener running across here, and then there's a stiffener running across the top, which will mount to some tabs on the chassis. So like I said, we're gonna throw that 3rd 1x1 piece of support angle in. Some guys might need one more at the bottom or put a 3rd one in the middle here. So at that point, all we got left is the upper nose. That'll obviously slide in there, maybe like that. Use some 1/4-inch body bolts, whatever, to fasten the upper nose in so that stays. Add your MD3 valance, your valance plates, your bolts. We got it all on the shelf here. If you have any questions at all on the nose, you know, of course, there's many different ways to mount this all up. We just wanted to give you a quick video today to kind of go over the new nose brace kit and show you kind of our thought process on putting this nose together. So if you got any questions, give us a call, 1-800-RACING1. Check it all out, performancebodies.com. Thanks.